Is particularly Western Christians, we need to understand that we've been steeped in consumerism our entire lives. It is all through our hearts. And I think one way we see that is in how we think about church. So often we look for a church like we shop for a car, right? We're saying, does it have the options I'm looking for? Does it meet my needs? Is it going to give me any trouble? Is it going to make me look good? And the challenge with that is, as we think about church as consumers, what are we going to do with the very unconsumer-like traits of churches made of people like the Jewish and Gentile Christians in the New Testament saw, of people very different from us, where it takes a lot of work to love them because they're not very easy to love, or we're not easy for them to love, and yet where God is honored as we engage in that kind of love. I think consumerism particularly bites hard against God's plan for a church made of people who share a little in common other than Jesus Christ. Because the fact is that we have the gospel at work in our lives, and we want to show it off. It's like you have the special edition Camaro. You don't want to drive it 24 miles an hour in a subdivision. You want to take it on the track. You want to see it go. We have the supernatural gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ at work in our hearts. We want to see it shown off with power. And it seems that a great way that we do that is not by acting as consumers at church, but loving those that we would only love because of Jesus and discovering true affectionate friendship in those relationships.